In this video, we're going to take a look at social cards. So when you share your campaign on social media via social cards, you can control how it looks. So let's take a look at how we do that. You'll see at the top here, we've got our social button. If we click on it, you can see you've got a preview now on screen of how it looks on different social media networks. So you can hop through this: Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and so on. So by default, it's automatically generated, so you can see it's set to auto. But if you wish to change how this looks, we can click on Custom. Once you click on Custom, you can key into any field and change its text. Alternatively, if you fancy a bit of inspiration, you can generate these with AI. To do that, just click on Generate with AI. And perfect. AI has now generated our social cards ready to use based on the content of your email. When you're ready, just hit Update. Okay, that's a quick look at social cards and how to use them on your email campaign.